I'll be back, Paradox. Just don't do anything crazy now.
A Paradox player doing something crazy? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking.
Good luck not getting shot.
Bebop's about half.
Throwing flash. I won't yield.
I have switch.
They're cagey, I'll give them that.
Who do you want me to aim for?
Bebop definitely get his ass.
Don't get dead.
Fucking
I don't
make that
really
real
get too aggressive and lose.
No matter the odds. Threat has been eliminated.
I see a furnace!
Thanks for your help.
I'll be right back.
Throwing flash.
I see dynamo.
Catch. I will face the entire army alone if I have to. You're looking to survive. You came to the right place.
I may or may not be dead.
I just narrowly escaped, dude. No, you're good. Just like run.
No, I got healing right and regen. I should be fine.
Alright. Why the fuck is Viper in our lane?
Shit,
What's going on?
he's on me. Yeah, Viper showed up as well.
Lovely.
Dynamo was pissed low. Play around the Guardian, I'm showing up in a sec.
Yeah.
Defeat me if you can. I'm invigorated.
Sorry, I should have called out the switch.
All good.
Headed to yellow.
I will stand resolute.
I see biscuits.
I should stop by the shop. I don't fear death. They're marked. For the cause.
Dynamo's on the bridge.
Time was low.
I'll give my life for the cause, but first I'll take yours.
Flask prepared.
I gotta fall back. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I won't kneel. My metal will be tested, and I'm throwing flash. Mid-boss has arrived.
Don't mind the blow. Gently used.
Defeat me if you can.
The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed. Such blessings I shall give.
Switching, switching. Nice, nice.
Bebop is low as fuck.
I see Bebop.
Dynamo's back. Watch it, watch it. Pocket.
They've destroyed the Guardian on
God damn it! I got him so fucking low.
Yeah, well,
Goddamn
Bebop has
Viper
pretty
was
solid
cock-blocking me.
survivability.
Our blue walker is under attack.
will not fall.
My resolve will shield me.
Coming back.
I fear no one. Our blue walker is under attack. My work isn't finished yet.
Made that dynamo my bitch.
I see Lash. Our blue walker is under attack. They destroyed the walker on blue. God.
Let's take out Lash.
Bebop's back. Says Viper.
I must be cautious.
Why the fuck is Viper here, bro?
Blue was taken.
I see the enemy. Seconds.
Now we gotta deal with an Infernus too.
Infernus is missing.
Headed to York. Fall back.
They've destroyed the Guardian on yellow. Our yellow walker is under attack. I got him all.
Warden, I meant to ask you earlier when you spoke up. Do you recognize me?
Who?
Pocket, I can drag him back if you want.
That would be most excellent, sir.
Alright, I'll try to call it out this time around.
You're good. I'll just try and be a little bit more perceptive.
He may have dipped.
He's at his shop.
They're down.
Face me and die. Stay down.
fucked up with that ult. He lost a lot of HP. Nice, nice, nice.
They destroyed the
Focus on the guard.
Greenwich.
Good shit.
Good shit.
Good shit.
Good shit.
Such conviction, warden.
Fuck.
I will lead by example.
I should check in with my allies.
They destroyed the walker on Greenwich.
Oh shit, they pushed all the way up to blue.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy some shit and I'm gonna come over there. Promise. I'll be right there, Pookie.
Okay, Tiki.
Charlie smiles.
Semicolon 3. Oh.
Good luck.
Our yellow walker
Yeah,
is
pushing
under
up yellow.
attack.
2.
Gammon.
It's funny because I'm basically immortal.
Spocket.
It's possible.
I don't even think that Bebop knows exactly what happened to him.
If this
Died so
much of
fucking
us is
fast.
already here, let's hit their walker.
The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
You'll never kill me.
Furnace burned me.
Damn! They're gonna take yellow in a sec.
Decisions.
Our yellow walker is under attack.
Headed to yellow.
Destroyed the walker on yellow.
Who of you will stand and face me?
I will not fall.
Guys, the way this game is going, I might just have to pop my fucking pussy.
Can I watch?
Yeah.
Take this boon.
They will try to kill me, and they will fail. It's brutal out there, huh?
Has any one of us done a single earn, like any of the teams?
Homie, I'm on a 17 game losing streak. I don't even know what a fucking earn is.
Ah, I gotcha. See, that changes right now. Who's faster? Who's the fastest on our team? We'll come back to it.
I got fleet foot.
Time for glory.
I mean, you could
Oh
definitely
shit,
try.
no, go to green, go to...
Yikers.
My resolve is
Time to
unmatched.
pop your pussy.
I'm about to pop my pussy. I'm coming to green. I'm coming. that fucking iron golem looking head ass bitch.
Good shit. Dip, dip, dip. Slid back around.
Run.
We can run Urn.
Fight.
Freeze his ass. Where the fuck did he go?
Let's take out people.
He really gave us the fucking runaround. Holy shit. Right, earn time. Wait, they have the
Oh,
urn.
they already grabbed it.
They have it.
Go,
Just
go.
go to the delivery spot. Go.
Yep, yep, yep.
Priority delivery with that's gonna be 350 more. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Take on all of you.
Also, I noticed you didn't tip your driver. I'm gonna spit in your drink.
Nice.
Well, I don't know about that. Could you maybe do it not with the spitting in my drink, please?
Is the spitting in the drink extra?
Yeah, that'll be 450 more.
You're a gamer girl too, aren't you? Actually, I'll pay more for you to spit in my drink.
What about my bath water?
Alright, no, that's
Do
fair.
that normally.
Guys, come back, come back, come back. Flash is here.
They just delivered the urn to us. How nice.
Flash is still around, watch it.
Okay, I got it.
3 of those spits.
If they don't
Beautiful,
have the same
sister. Now I gotta go buy shit.
Yatta!
About to go get me a new nice set of French tips.
They're pushing up green. McGinnis, watch it. They're gonna be coming for you in a sec. Wait, they grabbed the urn again? What? Go to yellow.
The lash.
What the fuck? The urn is back again?
Shady's back. Tell us.
Yeah, run, run. Go to yellow. Go to yellow.
Yeah, man. They're probably guarding it. Oh yeah, there's 2 people there already. Be careful.
Biscuit's low.
I don't fear that. That was a lot of good.
Holy shit. I just got wombo comboed.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm okay with trading. Just guard it.
Yes. Wait, did they get the urn or do we have the urn? I don't know what's going on.
Fuck, I think they got it. I don't know how. But yeah.
Yikers.
Let's go mid. Left. Headed to yellow.
We're doing the fuck shit. Somebody help!
Guys, just back up. Oh, shit. Wait. No, fuck them up. Yes.
Yeah, alright, retreat. Get back.
Yeah, fall back. Don't die.
Let's go mid.
I didn't even notice that Warden has like 14 kills. You pop off, Queen.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know if we don't have time for it.
No, I'm just gonna try and push green. So, nope, never mind. Viscus is here.
I'm
I
coming,
don't want to
I'm
fight him by
coming.
myself. Don't make me fight the green bitch by myself.
I'll come top him for you.
Please. still around here somewhere. I hear his ass.
Alchemical flash.
Yeah, he's up here.
Cheek just clapping.
Now this is how you start a fight.
I won't deal.
I see the enemy.
I will endure.
They got me.
All right, pull back, pull back.
Stars will it's time to change the world.
Warden, get back. You're surrounded.
Nah, Warden is in.
We should all be concerned about Aladdin, bitch.
Excuse me?
The slimy guy, he has magic carpet.
Flash effect. Alright, fuck that, we push.
Reach our stronghold.
God damn, Warden, pop off.
Like I was literally trying to tell you, Warden is literally him.
Seriously.
Is that an urn I see? Let's do it.
The enemy could be anywhere.
Please, Warden, for the love of God.
Do it good.
Left, right, licky good. Guys, please, 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 please. Please, I want this urn so bad. They're gonna see me. 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 Not trying to manifest or anything. Just like I'm thinking.
Distract them by
Nope, they
popping
see
your
me.
pussy.
They're on me. Nope, never mind. Yes, they are. Hold up. Help, help, help. Viscous is on me. He wants my day. I won't give it to him. I won't give it to him. They're gonna ambush me. Flash is here. Help!
I'm going hot.
Oh, you're so smart. You're actually so fucking clutch. I love you, Mo and Krill.
Yeah, real good fucking old homie.
Literally saved my fucking life and all those fucking souls. Well, I know that ult. It either gets me really angry or really fucking happy. Wait, hold on. This is a Viscous right here.
I see Viscous.
I think you misspelled his taint.
I believe Viscous is here.
Fuck did he? Where'd he go? Is there a fucking item? Youch! That afterburn fucking hurts. Holy shit.
Pull back.
Okay, I've been kind of like
Mo.
fooling around.
Sorry.
No, I'm gonna actually lock in.
Okay, stay inside.
This is my moment.
Back to 30 and I'm
I see dynamite.
just died. We just lost a very good trooper.
Amen, brother.
Yeah, Bebop always gets super fucking low. I don't know how he lives. Warden, how do you have so many fucking souls? What's your secret?
We only have one shrine left.
Target neutralized.
Oh my god, I'm about to eat
Viper's
it.
still on base.
Fuck me.
Setting a bomb.
They're dwindling. Dynamo's fucking low. Dynamo's over here and he's fucking low. Get his ass.
Headed this way. I see
They're over there. Viscous and Dynamo are dwindling and they're low as fuck, please. Yes! Wait, how did I kill?
I see Lash.
What? Anyways, good job, team.
Love you too.
I see Lash. I see the enemy.
No, mother trail!
There's no escaping me.
Alright, we're trickling, please.
Guys, they put down the fucking dog. I can't believe it.
Warden, please come back.
Now Warden's in, I believe. Warden, you may die. You might die. Warden, how are you not fucking dead? Warden, what the fuck are you doing? This is wizardry.
Nearly had me.
It's fine, it's fine.
I've never played Warden a day in my life. I'm gonna be completely honest. I just started playing this game again yesterday. It's been months.
Slowly push out, don't over.
I stuck with you if you can. The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
Do we do it, guys?
I won't yield.
Fuck it, watch it. Yep.
Bebop
That's
is
too
just
long, yeah.
waiting over here. Yeah, I'm not even. Alright, there we go. I'm just trying to find
Come back if you
farms
need anything else.
to do.
I'm coming, baby.
Good
Sorry,
shit.
I stole that, but
Impeccable. They have to
I mean, a kill is a kill in this game. I don't really think that, like, stealing kills matters all that much here.
I see Infernus.
I'm gonna try and take Urn. How risky is it? Oh, hell yeah.
The beginning.
Easy. Oh, shit. There's a bitch down there trying to steal our shit.
it's fine. They got like one.
Alright, come in blue to help that team fight.
nowhere to hide.
That doesn't sound like a healthy color.
No, I asked my doctor about it. He said it's perfectly normal.
Let me show you how it's done.
we're even.
Smoke it.
Oh shit.
I just got like so many. Holy shit. Sorry, I've got my fucking cracker friend yelling in my ear. I'll be right back.
Flash is going. Damn it, if we had one more, this would have been an optimal mid boss.
Guys.
Let's go mid.
And girl.
Paradox.
No,
And girl.
They work well.
I don't know if we have the damage output to
Give me
get
a hi,
that
yeah,
right.
if my friend shouldn't leave call with me to go and do productive stuff today. That was one. I'm getting one hi, yeah. Okay.
To do what? Let's...
This is negative big booming me right now, guys. This is not cool. Yeah, thank you, Warden, for the positive 5 big booms. You actually canceled out his 1 negative big boom. Alright, guys, he left anyways.
Very wily, Paradox.
We will falter.
Dynamo behind, watch it.
In a few seconds, it'll all be
I'm gonna try and sneak Spirit on real quick.
It makes me uncomfortable when you call it by its full name.
I'm gonna sneak
Alright, this is the optimal time right now to be doing mid boss. Like, there is actually no better time than right now. We are full team.
Nothing less than
Wait, they're all dead. Yes, let's end.
the ritual must continue.
Yeah. Even though I've got a hot urn, a hot, sopping, wet urn about to be delivered. You know what I'm saying? I say I'm a man. Yeah.
They never had a chance.
It's time to complete.
Alright, they're gonna respawn now. We should pull back.
Getting close.
Face me. Die.
The ritual is complete.
Well played.
Thank you.